Here's what no one tells you. The reason 90% of AI influencers fail is the absence of a character board. This workflow completely solves that problem, and once you understand it, you'll change the way you create content. Once you have it, you can simply use it as a reference image every time you generate new shots, and your results will be highly realistic and consistent across every scene. Let me show you how to create one completely for free. I'll be using Nano Banana 2 inside Google Flow. And by the way, I'm going to cover every single best free image and video generation model available right now, all inside this video. So make sure you stay because the section on video generation alone is going to completely change how you work. The first thing I do is head over to Pinterest for visual inspiration. I scroll through until I find an image that catches my eye and matches the vibe I'm going for. I found one I really liked, saved it to my PC. Simple. From there, head over to ChatGPT or Claude AI. Now I've already prepared a full Google Doc with every single prompt I'll be using throughout this video. The link is in the description. Don't scroll past it. Inside that doc, you'll find the character extraction prompt. Copy it, paste it into Claude, and hit generate. This chat setup is fully optimized to output Nano Banana 2 prompts specifically. That detail matters. Generic prompts give you generic results. From there, upload the image you got from Pinterest. The AI will analyze it and craft a prompt that produces a similar but completely new and unique character. Head over to Google Flow, the official platform where both the Nano Banana image models and the VEO 3.1 video model are available. Here's the key advantage. You can generate images completely for free with no limits, and you also get enough credits to create up to 2 videos per day. No payment, no hidden conditions. At the bottom of the interface, switch to image mode and select Nano Banana 2. Then set the format to 9:16 and choose 4 images as the output count. Next, take the prompt we created in Claude, paste it directly into the prompt field, and run the generation a few times. In the end, you'll get exactly the result you were aiming for. Realistic, sharp, and consistently high quality. Most people stop at one image. That's the mistake. We need multiple angles of this character. Different lighting conditions, different facial expressions, different emotions. Because when you build your character board from one angle only, the model loses context, and consistency breaks down completely. Here's how we do it. First, set that image as the reference image. Then prompt, generate a side profile view of this woman, maintaining exact facial identity and natural lighting. Then say, generate a back view of this woman, focusing on her head and hair. Then also you can go ahead and generate an extreme close-up of her eyes. Keep it simple. The model does the heavy lifting. Look at the results, we're already picking up even the smallest facial details. 2 side profile shots, a back of head angle, and close-up eye shots. That gives us incredible flexibility for detailed facial shots later on. But we're not done yet. We also need a full body perspective. We need to understand her complete look, the full outfit, the proportions, the height. I paste the prompt. This does 2 things. It locks in outfit consistency across every scene, and it gives us critical context around her overall frame and height. Now, to make sure the outfit stays consistent across all the other angles we already generated, I upload both images together and do a clothing replacement. I paste this prompt. Make her wear the outfit from the full body image in the close-up shot. This keeps everything visually unified across the entire character sheet. No mismatched outfits. No broken immersion. Download everything you've generated. On the free plan, you get the 1K resolution option. Pro gives you 2K. Premium gives you 4K. But don't worry. Later in this video, I'll show you a completely free method to upscale your images without spending a single dollar. Now we take everything we downloaded and combine it into one single collage. This is our master reference image, our character board. Every time we use that reference image in Nano Banana Pro, all future scenes stay consistent, pulling from the character's full details, front, side, face, and outfit in one image. This is the actual secret. Not the prompts, not the model, this one image. Head over to Canva. You can also use Photoshop, whatever you prefer. On the left side, click Start New Design, Create from Blank Canvas. Once the project is created, select the Upload tab and bring in all your images. Start placing the images onto the canvas. The sizing doesn't need to be perfect, but the main portrait should be large enough for clear visual context. Place the main character image first, centered and full size. Arrange side profiles, close-ups, and detail shots around it. Build outward from the center for structure. Enlarge the eye close-up to capture fine facial details. And now we've got this beautifully cluttered, but fully organized character sheet. Export it. And we're ready. From here, use this image as the reference image in all your generations. You'll achieve perfect character consistency no matter which angle you generate. Whether it's purely text-prompted shots, character drops into new backgrounds and locations, or complete outfit swaps. One reference image. Infinite consistency. Here's what really makes the difference, and most people ignore it. Images are 80% of AI video quality, and blurry inputs always produce blurry results. Always use the highest resolution images possible for clean cinematic output. Low-quality images will make results look clearly AI-generated. Upscale your images to at least 2K resolution. This is enough for most modern video generation models. As mentioned earlier, here's a completely free way to upscale your images. Do a quick Google search for Free Image Upscaler. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the website I use. Upload the image you want to enhance, then choose an upscale level between 200% and 400%. For our shots, go with 400%. Within seconds, you'll get your image back at a much higher resolution. One important note, in some cases, faces may look slightly artificial, so test each image individually. When it works, the result is excellent, and when it doesn't, the original version is usually better. Now let's move on to videos.
For talking videos with the best lip sync available right now, use VEO 3.1 on Google Flow.
You receive 50 daily credits, which equals up to 2 free videos per day. On top of that, you also get an extra 100 credits when you first register. To use it, go to the bottom menu and select Video. Set the resolution to vertical and choose 1 video per generation. Then select the model VEO 3.1 Fast. It's fast, efficient, and delivers strong results. Upload the reference image we created earlier. Then I paste this prompt and hit Generate.
Honestly, I can't believe how real this looks. Even with simple AI tools, the results are getting insane.
And honestly, it looks pretty good. Nothing weird, no distortion. She looks realistic, natural, and completely believable. It does add a watermark, but that's an easy fix. Use a site like Watermark Cleaner, or clean it up manually in After Effects or Canva by zooming in slightly and repositioning the frame so the watermark is completely out of shot. Or use the AI Remove feature inside CapCut Pro. Now, if you want to place your character into a video and replicate the exact motion from a reference clip, you need WAN Video. Go to wan.video and click Try. This will take you directly to the main generation page. At the bottom, choose the different generation modes. For character swapping or animating a photo, select Avatar, then pick either Character Swap or Photo Animate. Both work the same way. Upload your reference character image, upload the reference video you want to match, set the generation mode to Pro, and start the process. Here's what surprises most people. When you generate, it shows 0 credits used. You automatically get 10 free daily credits, which effectively makes it feel unlimited. The only drawback is that queue times can sometimes be long. But since it's completely free and unlimited, it's a trade-off worth taking every time. One more platform, and this one is fully unlimited. It's called QWEN. It has both video and image generation, and the output quality is genuinely solid. It's a bit slow for video, but for a tool that's free with no daily limits, that's the entire trade-off. Generate as much as you want. No cap, no cost. You now have the full workflow character board, free tools, upscaling, and video models. Everything you need to create a realistic, professional AI influencer for free. If you found this helpful, subscribe and drop a comment below with the free tool that surprised you the most.